Everybody open page number 38. On the page number 38, before this, we will discuss about the three styles. What those three styles are? It's bold, italic, and underline. We studied these things in the last class. We use them. B is used to be appear for the bold, and I is used for italics, and U is used for underlining the text. So underline the nouns on these sentences. Underline the nouns on these sentences. Before doing this exercise, we will move to the page number 39. And when we are doing the exercise for the page number 39, then we will came back to this exercise. Okay, so everybody open the page number 39. The exercise is given here. Underline the noun in these sentences. We will find out the nouns in these sentences, but first we will do the page 39. At the end of the page number 38, there is a line written. The line is saying that avoid using a font which is difficult for others to read. Writing styles sometimes are very difficult to understand. Always use the font of simplicity. If the font is simple, then everybody can understand it. If the font is difficult, then it is difficult to understand, or no one will understand that what you are writing. So always use the font which is understandable to everyone. So on the page number 39, the first line of the page is saying, the first line of the page is saying that correcting mistakes is called editing. We know very well that we can edit the document. For example, when we are typing, while typing the document or while typing anything on the computer, sometimes we do the mistakes. So when we are going to correct them, that correction is called as the editing. Or in simple words, editing means to change anything in the document. Editing means to change anything in the document. So correcting mistakes is called editing. You are typing a letter. For example, you are typing a letter to your friend or to your class. So you write a letter, you did a mistake in it. You type the word in that letter. For example, you are typing dear friends. So you write DEER instead of DEAR. So you type DEER instead of DEAR. So what do you have to do now? You have to erase it. You have to change it. So for changing it, you are doing the editing. For the changing perspective, you are doing the editing. Correcting mistakes is called correcting mistakes is called editing. So see, I erase it and I write the correct one to edit that word. So the backspace. The backspace key is used to erase mistakes. The backspace key is used to erase mistakes. Do you know where is the backspace
Hello,
key?
sir.
Do you know where is the backspace key? The backspace key is above the enter key. There is an enter key. Above that enter key, we have one more key, and then we have a backspace key. What does backspace key do? It erases the words. For example, you done some mistake, so you can erase it with the help of backspace. That backspace key will go back and erase the letter and make some space for a new letter or a new alphabet. So backspace key is used to erase the mistakes, is used to erase the letters, erase the text, erase the alphabet. The delete key is used to remove mistakes. The delete key is used to remove mistakes. So the backspace and delete, both these keys, both these keys can work the same. Both these keys are used to remove or erase the text. Both these keys are used to delete the characters or alphabets. So backspace key is used to erase mistakes and delete key is also used to remove mistakes. But there is a little difference between them. But the work of them are same. The work of both of them are same. The backspace key erase text one step backward. Backward means at the back side. The backspace key erases text one step backward. The backspace key erases text one step backward. For example, if you see I write the word, I am writing the word that again, it's dear. Mistakenly, I write dear DEAR instead of DEAR. I write DEER. So, this is a wrong spelling. For example, I ask you, dear students. So, this is the wrong spelling for the dear. So, now I have to change it. Which key I will press to remove? For example, I use backspace. I press one backspace, again press one backspace. So, now the space is made. Then I write the correct word. So, I got the correct spelling. Okay. For example, this is wrong spelling. What do we have to do? We don't want to use backspace and we have to edit or change the spelling. How we can erase the word? For erasing other than the backspace, we can use the delete key. Delete key erase the text one step ahead. The delete key erases text one step ahead. It's written in your book. It erases text one step ahead. It means that backspace key will go at back and delete key will go at right side. Step ahead, the things which are at the front. So, in the simple words, backspace will delete the character towards the left side and delete key will delete the character or the alphabets from the right side. So, let's see this one. If we see this paragraph, if we see this word, we write the word dear. If we have to correct it, if we have to correct it, for example, I press a backspace, then again backspace, then write A and R. For example, I write this spelling and this spelling is wrong. We have to correct it with the delete. So we move our mouse. See, my mouse is there. I click here. Now my cursor is blinking in between DE and ER. And now I press delete from the keyboard. There is a key of delete on the keyboard. I press it. If you see, it erases the word at the right side. That delete key erases the word at the right side. See it again. For example, there is a word. The word is dear. We have to correct it. It's DEAR, but mistakenly we write DEER. So we have to correct it without using the backspace. So I click here. When I click here, my cursor is now blinking in between DE and ER. So DE and ER in between there is a cursor. Now we press just delete key and that pressing of delete key erase the E from the right side. So from the right side E is deleted. Now I am writing A. So now the A is inserted in the word. It become dear. So backspace erases text one step backward towards left. The delete key erases text one step ahead. It means that from right. So everybody understand that point of delete and backspace?
Sir, delete is erase all thing. Delete
Yes. Delete will
Up.
is erase all.
Sir, delete always
No,
right.
it,
okay.
Always
Delete will also delete the letter one by one in the text. In the text, in writing. We are talking about in a writing or a typing. So delete will erase the letter towards the right side, means moving ahead. The next letter will be deleted by pressing the delete key. If we have to erase the letter on the left side, so we are using the backspace. So if you see these arrows, I made these arrows for you. See, backspace erase one text one step backward. It will go in this direction. But the delete key start erasing the data text one step ahead, means the data will be deleted from this side. For example, if we are typing the word, for example, I type word Monday and now I press backspace. The Y is erased. The Y is erased. But if I press delete here after the Y, it will not do anything because after the Y there is no any letter. After the Y there is no any letter, and when I press delete here, it will not delete anything. Why? Because on the right side of the Y there is nothing. But if I place the cursor there, if you see after MON, my cursor is blinking after MON, and now I am pressing delete key, so it will delete the key D. Now I am pressing again the delete again. Now it erases the A. Now I am pressing again the delete, it erases the Y. For example, if I if I type Monday again here and we again press delete, so D is erased, A is erased. Now I press backspace instead of delete. So backspace will delete Y or N. What do you think? Backspace will delete Y or N? Did do you all see? Let me show you. So do you all see the cursor is blinking in between the M O N Y. The cursor is blinking between N and Y. Did you all see this thing? Did you all see this thing? Say yes or
Yes,
no.
sir. Yes.
The cursor is blinking right
yes,
now between
sir.
N and the Y. For
yes.
example, if I
Yes.
press delete, oh sorry, if I press backspace, what character will delete? What letter will delete? N or Y? What do you think? Which character will delete? N or Y? If I press, if I press the word, if I press the backspace, which letter will be deleted? N or Y? Suleiman, we are not discussing about the spelling. This is a spelling of Monday, not a money. We are just seeing the working of delete and the backspace key. So if I press the backspace, which key will delete? N or Y? That's good, Sheriff. Elias. So only two students sent the answer for this one. It's Saud and Elias. Very good. Ayan, Mohammad Farooq, Ali Nizar. That's good. So when we press when we press backspace, it will delete n. You all guys are right. Okay. So now there is n is erased. It's by like MOI. But if I press now delete here in between O and Y, now which letter will be deleted or which letter will be erased? O or Y? Just send your answer for once only. Saud, Sharif, Suleiman. That's good. Mohammad Farooq. So when we press delete, it will delete on the right side. It will delete the Y. That's good. Okay. Now, so we see about the delete and the backspace key. Now we see about the delete and the backspace key. We know very well that now that delete will delete the character or the letter on the right side, and backspace will delete the character or erase the character on the left side. So correcting a mistakes is called editing. Correcting a mistake is called editing. So many students participated very well and gave the correct answers for the delete. For example, let me ask you one more question. Let me ask you one more question. The question is saying that, let me write a spelling. The spelling is like school, School. So if I press, if I move my cursor after C and before H. So my cursor is blinking in between after C and before H. Now here, if I press backspace, which letter will erased? If I press backspace in between C and H, which letter will erase? So Hamido, okay, Hamido Al Harbi, Ali Nizar, Muhammad Farooq, Ayan, that's good. Saud, all these guys sending the correct answer. Okay, so only 5 students. What about the others? What about the others? Ilyas and okay. So if we press the backspace in between C and H, so it will erase the word C. Now my cursor is blinking in between the S and H. So now I am going to press delete key. Now which letter will delete or erase? S or H? Which one? Very good, Elias. Ali Nizar, Muhammad Farooq. If I press the delete key in between S and H, so the letter which is deleted will be H, because delete erase the letter towards right side and backspace erase the letter towards left side. Remember this thing, backspace erase the letter from the left side and delete starts erasing from the right side. So this is a difference between delete and backspace. The working of both is same. Delete and backspace both will erase the letters, but backspace starts from the left side and delete it started from the right side. So everybody understand this thing? Backspace is for left, delete is for right. Everybody understand this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let me erase the word. So in the same page, there is a question. In the lines below, which key will you use to correct mistakes? In the lines below, which key will you use to correct mistakes? There are some mistakes in the typing. So you see what they are telling in the lines below. The lines are given there. Which key will you use to correct the mistake? There are two keys available, the delete and the backspace. Delete and the backspace. Do not dash machine near water. So there is a word. They are using the word. If you know that word, it is written there. You will understand that what is the mistake in that spelling. So, what do you think? You will use which key to correct that word? You will use which key to correct that word? You will use delete or you will use backspace. Which key you will use to correct that spelling? Delete or backspace? Okay, let me tell you. Basically that word is use. The correct spelling of that word is use. Do not use machines near water. So they mistakenly write M. Now they have to erase the M. The cursor is blinking here. So which key they will have to use? Backspace or delete? We know very well backspace works from the left side and delete works at the right side. We have to make a spelling of use. Do not use machines. We have to erase M. M is on the right side of cursor or on the left side of the cursor. So you can pick it up that if M is on the right side of the cursor, then pick delete. If M is on the left side of the cursor, then it's a backspace. So what do you think? The cursor is there. The cursor is blinking here in between M and S. So which key will you pick to erase M? Good, Sharif. Ali Nizar. Okay, only two students. Ilyas, Hamidu Al Harbi. Okay, that's good. Okay, so all these students, Ayan, very good, Ayan. Okay, so all these students give the correct answer. The correct answer is a backspace. The correct answer is a backspace. Because when we press backspace, it will erase on the left side. And on the left side, there is a M. And M will be erased. So it becomes U-S-E, use. The word will become correct after pressing the back space. After pressing the back space. So let's write it here. It's a back space. Now, moving towards the next one. The next question is saying that have your computer dash directly in front of you. Have your computer dash. The word is screen. The word is screen. The spelling of screen is get wrong. So can you correct it? The cursor is blinking in between E and V. So what is the spelling of screen? The spelling of screen you have to correct it. So which key will you press? Delete or backspace to correct the spelling? Yes, waiting for your answers. Which key will you press to make the spelling of screen correct? Okay, the cursor is blinking between E and V. That's good, Ali. Ali Nizar, give the correct answer right now. Okay, that's good. Muhammad Farooq, Ayad, Ilyas, Rafiq, that's good. Very good. Ayad Mustafa, Ahmad Yusuf, very good. Very good. Now you guys are getting it. So, the correct spelling of screen is SCREEN. So, we have to erase what? We have to erase V. And we can erase it with the help of which key? See? Left side and right side. We have to erase the right side. For right side, we have to go to which key? Backspace or delete. The name which I took, they gave the correct answers. Ayan also sent the correct answer. Okay. So we have to erase the key on the right side. Very good, Hamid Al Arbi. Very nice. Very nice. Mohammad Farooq, good. You pick up the hint very well. So, okay, Sharif. Now, the correct answer for this one is delete key. Why? Because delete key erases on the right side. Delete key erases or start erasing from the right side. Let me write it here for your easiness. So it erases from right side. Okay. So I write it here. And backspace erases from left side. Now, good. The answer is good. That's good, Rafiq. Let me make a square on it. The correct answer is the delete key. You give the correct answer. That's good. So now we are moving to the next one. The next one is do not fix dash your do not fix dash eyes on the screen continuously. So there is a word. The word is look like you, use, your, yours. So there is a word, there is a mistake in that word. If we are going to correct that mistake, in that mistake, there is a cursor blinking in between S and R. The cursor is blinking in between S and R. So we have to erase any one letter. Either we have to erase S or either we have to erase R. So the word is your. The word is your. So we have to erase one letter from it. The sentence would be like, do not fix your eyes on the screen continuously. So we found the error, but we have to erase the word S. Very good. You pick up the correct thing. Now, which key we will press to erase the S? Because the cursor is blinking in between S and R. S and R. So we have to erase erase S on the left side. If you see, I put the hints for you. I put the hints for you. Which side we will select? We have to erase S. Just check. S is on the left side or the right side. So let's see. Very good, Ali Nizar. That's good. Ayad Mustafa, Amgad Mohammed, Mohammad Farooq, Ali Nizar, Arsh. Very good. Very good. Yes, Hamido, you are right. So which key we will use for left side? Hamido, which key we will press? Delete or backspace? For the back, for the left side, we will press which key? Very good, Ilyas. Very nice, Hamido. So very well done. So the correct answer is backspace. It's a left side. We have to erase S at the left side. So do not fix your eyes on the screen continuously. So in this, we have to use the backspace. We have to use the backspace. So let me write it here. Backspace. Now, do not use the dash with wet hands. The word is the name of the subject which you are studying. So, the word is computer. So, right now, the spelling is written, but there is one extra word in it. That extra word in it is N. The cursor is blinking between P and N. We have to delete N, and N is on the right side. So, which key we will pick? Delete or backspace? The N is on the right side. Which key we will select to delete N? Which key? You see the hint at the buttons. For right side, we have to press delete. For left side, we have to press backspace. And N is on the right side. We have to erase the N on the right side. Very good. Mohammad Farooq, Sharif, Hamido, Saud. That's great. All these students give the correct answer. So it's Ilyas. Very good, Ilyas. So it's a delete key because delete key will erase the letter at the right side. N is at the right side, so N will be deleted when we press the delete key. So the answer for this one is a delete. Answer for this one is a delete. So along with it, we are come to the end of the period. Ahmad Yusuf, very good. Ahmad, Mohammed, Ali Nizar, these also sent the correct answers. So along with it, we are come to the end of the period. Right now, the period is ended. There is an assignment waiting for you in the class light. Everybody should open the assignment. We will meet in the next class, inshallah, and continue our lesson. Have a nice day, everyone. Have a nice weekend, everyone.